Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Vocabulary of letter G. G, G, G. Capital letter G, small letter G. G is for gorilla. G, G, gorilla, gorilla. G is for glasses. G, G, glasses, glasses. G is for goose. G, G, goose, goose. G is for gloves. G, G, gloves, gloves. G is for games. G, G, games, games. G is for girl. G, G, girl, girl. G is for glass. G, G, glass, glass. G is for gold. G, G, gold, gold. G is for guava. G, G, guava, guava. G is for goat. G, G, goat, goat. G is for grass. G, G, grass, grass. G is for gift. G, G, gift, gift. G is for garlic. G, G, garlic, garlic. G is for guitar. G, G, guitar, guitar. G is for golf. G, G, golf, golf. G is for green. G, G, green, green. G is for garden. G, G, garden, garden. G is for gate. G, G, gate, gate. G is for grapes. G, G, grapes, grapes. G is for glue. G, G, glue, glue.